Alright guys, so here's the boxes that I'm gonna open and rip and compare the return on investment on ways that you purchase these cards, whether you keep them all yourself, try to sell them, whether you do a team break where you divide them up 32 teams randomly, specifically for a higher price on certain teams, do a divisional break, again, choosing those for a higher price or doing those randomly to save, I guess. But either way, I'm pretty sure anybody who purchases the packs is at least trying to make it worth their while to do this. So I'm going to kind of play it from that perspective. Again, what we're doing is a 2021 Illusions Mega Box, which offers on average one auto or mem, and it also has some rare exclusives to the Mega Box parallels. Then we have the 2021 Playoff, which also shares the one auto mem per box average, again not guaranteed, but 3 kickoff parallels exclusive to the blaster box here. So we're gonna get those ripped up. We'll start with this one first and we'll see what happens. Well, let's learn how to rip a box. That might help. Who do you collect? So let's put that there. So there we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. Can't necessarily tell if one is thicker than the other. It feels like it might be, so I'll hold that one to the side. Let's get them ripped and see what we got. So we got Devin Singletary, Jonathan Taylor, Corey Davis, Bobby Anderson, Robert Woods, Jairi Alexander, Kin Nangwa, probably said that, sorry buddy, don't know how to say it, and then Devin White. That's kickoff parallel they were talking about there, I'm sure. Not numbered, but it is green as well. You can see there, like that one, not numbered, but LSU Tigers. Pack number 2. Got a Kareem Hunt, Philip Rivers, now retired player, Carson Wentz, Chris Carson, Jesse Toggle, got a Jalen Rieger, Phillies card, got a the Takanoga Joe Ungjunawawi. Yeah, probably not how you say it, huh? Then we got a Davis Mills kickoff parallel in the green. Got a Tyrann Mathieu. That's your KC, but LSU Tigers. Got a Big Ben, Eagles. Got Stephen Diggs. I like that guy. Got a Brett Favre, little throwback. Got a Zeke from Cowboys, like that. You've got an Allison Robertson, Bears. You've got Jamar Chase, rookie card. Bengals, rookie card. Jamar Chase. Go Tigers. And here's a behind the numbers. Stephen Diggs. It's a sweet looking card. It's got a little reflection on it. It's pretty sweet. It's not numbered, but it's a nice looking card. See what that's kind of value that one holds. Mo Alley Cox. Got your little Colts. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That's your LSU Tigers. Got a Myles Garrett. Got a Cooper Kupp, Super Bowl MVP. Aaron Jones. DK Metcalf. Seahawks. And then you got behind the numbers. It's pretty sweet. It's Darren Waller, tight end for the Raiders. I'll really go through those later, but Chargers, Darwin James. Got a Warren Moon throwback there with the Oilers. Guess that would go for the Texans. Kendrick Bourne. Russell Gage. Falcons. Got a Jalen Hurts. Dirty Birds. Eagles, that is. Mike Evans for the Bucks. Got a teammate there, Kyle Trask for the Bucks. Rookie card right there. It's sweet looking. And you got a call to arms. Justin Herbert. It's a Chargers card. Sure somebody would find that sweet. Nice looking cards. No autographs, no names yet. We've got the kickoffs. Julio Jones. Good player. J.K. Dobbins for your Ravens. Chris Jones. Going with KC, you got a few card players out of here, as well as Darnell Mooney with the Bears. I might have got one of those already, but Falcons, Matt Ryan. Darius Slayton for the Giants. Amari Rogers, rookie card, pack. And then we got Stephen Gilmore, Patriots. Last pack, one that I thought might have something in it. Hunter Henry. Derrick Henry. Marlon Humphrey. Chris Godwin. Bucks. David Montgomery. Cam Akers. We got Jamin Davis. And our mem card there. Rookie Stallions, Ian Books, for the New Orleans Saints.